Okay, good afternoon guys. So today we are gonna go see the YASAKA festival, and last year also I went there, but when I was thinking why I didn't have videos, the thing is that I was rushing and I forgot my camera. So yeah, and by the way, last year we were planning to wear yukatas. So all of us are like, I was working back then with Reed, so we were planning to wear yukata all together. So I bought a yukata for myself, especially to wear for the festival. But it took an hour and a half just to wear it, like put it on my body, and then just wrapping and lot of stuff. And then Cosmo was trying and he was helping me. We were watching videos, and still I wanted it to be perfect, and it wasn't. So I was annoyed, I was a little mad, and I was 1 hour late to meet my friends. So then I took it off, threw it in the closet, and went out. So that's why I forgot my camera. But the festival, it was so cool and it was very, very nice. So that's why we are going again this year. And this year Cosmo is going to, because last year was just me and my friends. So yeah, let's go and see. Well, we are on our way to Reed's place first, and just there too. So we are gonna meet those two, and we are gonna see the festival together. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's around 4:15 right now. It's crazy hot. Oh my gosh. Well, this is Chia, and you guys know Reed. He's in the bathroom, and I just wanted to show you Reed's collection of Snoopy and Miffy. Everything.
Everything.
And even this one. I can't believe it.
It's toilet paper.
and yeah, we should show the toilet paper too. Well, look at this. Here we go. Snoopy house. And a lot of Snoopy stuff.
I was not in the bathroom. I don't know why I bought this.
This one. What else do? Oh my gosh! And the coat. Oh, this is princesses. That's Disney. Oh, this is Disney.
He have the popcorn boxes.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's see.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, that's nice.
And then this is
Oh,
the
this
baby.
color, ne?
Yeah.
Is it tiny fish?
This is the baby fish.
Oh no.
The matchy matchy.
Oh my. Oh, this is so cute.
And it, no, I wanted this color because it's the same as the dish you bought.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was purple, right? No, this one?
No, I have the butterfly.
Oh,
So everything matches.
yeah.
Everything matches.
Ooh, that's heavy. This is so cool.
So I
And
wanted
this
a
color
purple
is so
one.
beautiful.
I
yeah.
love this color.
The purple one we saw when we went there, right? The light purple kind? Was it? No?
When did we go?
Like 2 months
I
ago?
remember when we went.
No, we bought something. Something tiny.
Ah, that was for her.
Oh yeah.
The coffee.
Oh yeah, the coffee thing. Coffee thing, yes.
Will they renovate?
Mm-hmm.
So I got it back.
Oh,
the other day.
this is it. Yes. Oh my gosh. Everything is so nice. Oh, this is the purple one.
My new garlic.
What? Let me see.
This is for garlic, and it has these vents to let out the
Oh, the smell.
garlic smell.
Oh, you have a lot of stuff over there.
And everything's red.
Because your favorite color
My
is red.
favorite color is red. Wedding.
What
set.
is it?
This
Wedding
is a
set?
wedding gift. But it was on clearance on Prime.
Oh.
But you can use it for anything. But
No, that's a set, yeah? The tiny
that's a
one.
set. This was a set. This I bought for him.
Oh, yeah.
Never will be used.
So Miffy's.
Done with it.
Daisuke stuff.
Oh, I bought baby clothes for my friend.
Let me see. Oh, let me show his stuff. Oh, these are
And
nice.
this one like 900 yen.
This one?
Yeah.
本当にこっちや。
Why are we going this way?
なんかあっちにあったっけ？
Koho? I don't know which way it is. Okay, let's go back. What do we have here? Oh. So then. Can we get one too? Well, here we are at the street food place. Last time if they were like in the road, but this time it's in the park. And it's raining. Let's see what we have here. It's more like for kids, yeah?
Yeah. I think today's one is for kids. He's gonna be like,
This is Daisuke's favorite place. He loves lemon soda.
Kobe Wagyu.
Okay, let's see. I kind of want to eat churros, but ooh, kinaka cinnamon matcha, caramel, original chocolate. Let's see what do we have. Oh, this is a line? Well, I got the chocolate one and Reed got the caramel sugar.
I ordered in Japanese.
Oh, that's a chocolate
That
one.
looks good.
Oh, yes. This is mine.
It's like cocoa. Cocoa.
Cocoa. Oh, this is Reed. Yay! 食べてみる? It's raining. Should we get in somewhere?
Oh.
You ready?
Okay.
It's just chocolate.
これ
Cocoa.
何これ？
Caramel.
That's good.
Oh, I got cocoa on me.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's good.
Wow, this is hot.
Yeah. Should we go somewhere? The tree? Maybe under the tree? Well, this is much better, yeah? There's so many people around. It's good. This is much better.
They should have said cocoa.
It says chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah.
To me, they should dip it in chocolate.
One more.
I might do something bad.
Not here.
But it's good though.
They have some kind of the green sugar. What is it? Something green.
Cancel.
Teriyaki. Here we have kakigori. Oh, yakisoba, ne? Should we go that way? Banana
Oh, I see chica.
everywhere.
Chica. If you can get it, you can get the chica.
Oh, sweet.
Chica.
Oh, really? Or should I try this?
Oh, I love that smell. What is that? Yakisoba. I don't like yakisoba.
I just want to make at home. I don't want to eat outside. Oh, they have the guns. What are those for? Oh, that's candy, apple candy. Yeah. This is more like the kids. Fruity fruity potato. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is fried.
Oh, got it.
Oh, this is ikayaki. Squid. Jagabata. This looks so good. But we are gonna be full, yeah.
We're gonna be full.
Well, we are going back home, so it's gonna change, and then we are gonna go to dinner. By the way, today's festival was more like for kids. I think tomorrow is the original, the one that we came last year. That's the same one. So if I have videos, I think I do some of them, so I'll put them in the video so that you guys can see the original cool thing.
黒蝶をしまし揃いましたんで、番長合同で買ってきます。
Wow, we are almost at the restaurant. Let's go. So it's called Toria. 2階にあるの? Second floor?
Second.
Oh. So they have all chicken, anything made of chicken. Let me show you. What? So this is the restaurant.
Local sake,
And we are gonna choose. Oh, I love these tiny spices over there. That's cute.
足りないです。
I would finish that thing in one bite. The ichiban. So this is the otoshi. It's more like the table charge in Japan. And I got ginger ale, and Kazuma is drinking Coke. And that Coke lemon sour. It's the same for me. And we are waiting for chicken. Look at that. This looks so nice. Is it cheesy? Cheesy fries? Cheese fries, I think. これもチキンだっけ?
それ山
あ、山芋。あありがとうございます。失礼します。So we have dashimaki tamago.
What is it?
Yamaimo.
2 more minutes. I think this one.
So this is nankotsu karage. What part is this? Cartilage? Yeah. That's good.
Hi everyone. My name is.
Everybody knows you.
Last time you saw me, we were at Tokyo Station, right?
Yeah, we
We were
were.
at Tokyo Station eating mama food at a mama restaurant with a really sugoi staff.
Oh,
This
yeah,
time, it's the complete opposite. We have a mama staff, but good food. And I'm here today with, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Dia. I'm from Taiwan.
I'm from Taiwan.
She's from Shanghai.
No,
She's not.
Taiwan.
Taiwan, goddammit! And we're in Furui Koshigaya.
No, it's Shinkoshigaya. Or Minami Koshigaya.
And I don't like people who snitch. So that's what today is about. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button because I sure hit the unsubscribe button on certain people. These are summer season.
So this is called bonjiri. What is this one? Bonziri in English.
The chicken tail.
Chicken tail? Chicken has a tail?
Chicken ass.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Yes, chicken ass.
Chicken ass.
Fucking made a mistake.
So
not
we
just
just
one
finished the dinner and now we are heading towards this bar. I mean, I've been there once or twice with Reed. So Reed has his friends there, so let's go and have some fun.
I have friends everywhere.
Yeah, he's gonna introduce his new friends to us. So yeah.
Oh, that's very H&M.
Sorry, do you drink red eye?
No. What is that?
It's a mishap order. I thought it's red eye. I thought it's a red eye, but it's Rokuhai. It's just a little bit of beer and tomato juice.
Oh shit, I remember him from last week. I don't think you remember him from last week. Wait, let's try. No, me.
Well, we are back home, guys, and everybody's so tired, and Kazuma can't even smile. He's too tired even to talk. Anyways, that was today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Until that, peace.